everyone, my name is Rikshuddinath. Welcome to my channel Rick's Math World. Today I am going to show you about subtraction in part 2, and today we are going to learn about subtraction in multi-digit with a new rule called the borrowing. So let's start. So the numbers we can see is 42 minus 25. Always start from the ones place. This is the ones place and this is the tens place. We will start from the ones place. So we can see here 2 minus 5. But wait, we cannot subtract it because we cannot subtract with a smaller number being above the bigger number. So what do you have to do? We have to borrow from the neighbor. So we will borrow it. So we will now borrow from the 4 and it will be converted into 3, and we borrowed from the tens place. So it is 10. So we will do 10 plus 2, which is 12. So we write here 1. Now we can do it. 12 minus 5. The bigger number is above the smaller number. So we can do it. So what is 12 minus 5? It is 7. So we write here 7. So now see, we can do 3 minus 2. So what is 3 minus 2? It's 1. So we write here 1. So the answer we got for this math problem is 17. Now we will go ahead to the next math problem. So the numbers we can see here is 53 minus 26. How can we do it? It is also a borrowing math problem because in the ones place the above number is smaller and the down number is bigger. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from the neighbor. So we will cut 5 and it will be converted into 4, and we took this number from the neighbor, which is tens place. So we will add 10 plus 3, which is 13. So write here 1 in front of 3. So it becomes 13. And what is 13 minus 6? Yeah, it is 7. So write here 7. Now we will move ahead to the tens place and let's see what we got. So here it is written 4 and it is written 2. So we can easily do it because the above number is 4, and because the above number is bigger than the down number. So what is 4 minus 2? It is 2. So we solved both of the math problems which have a borrowing rule. So now I will teach you about one more thing that you have to remember when doing subtractions. Okay, friends? Friends, now see what we have to do here. So the numbers you can see is 505 minus 217. So we also have to do borrowing in this particular math problem because the above number is smaller than the down number. So we have to borrow. But there is a problem. Look, you cannot borrow because the number is 0. So how can you borrow? So what we have to do here is we have to go to this number. Because we cannot borrow from the tens place because there is a 0. So you have to go to the hundreds place from where we can borrow because there is a 5 written here. So let's do it. So we cannot borrow from here. We have to borrow from this 5. So 1 will be deducted from here. So it will be 40. It will be like 49. It will be 49. So we can do it. Now because we will write here 1 and it will be a 15. So we can now do 15 minus 7. The answer of 15 minus 7 is going to be 8. Friends, it is going to be 8. So we will write here 8. And now we have to do 9 minus 1. So what is 9 minus 1? It is also 8. Now I have to do 4 minus 2. And 4 minus 2 is 288. So the answer for this math problem is 288. So I will give you one more example of this type of math problem. So let me do it. Friends, now we are going to do this math problem. So the numbers we can see is 302 minus 147. So we cannot minus this in this particular situation because the above number is smaller than the down number. So we have to borrow from the next number. So but there is also a problem because there is a 0 in the tens place. So what do you have to do? We have to borrow from the hundreds place, from the next number. So we will do it. Now we have to do to cut these two numbers and write here 29 because one number will be deducted because we are borrowing from the hundreds place, and it will be 12 now. So 12 minus 7 is 5. So we will write here 5. Now we have to do 20. We have to do 9 minus 4. So what is 9 minus 4? Yes, it is 5. So we will write here 5. Now we have to do 2 minus 1. And what is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer for this math problem is 155. Friends, if you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you like and subscribe, I will be happy to create more videos like this only for you. Bye for this moment. Stay tuned. See you soon. Goodbye.